Hey, guys, today, I'll try to fix your Spotify Wrapped 2023 not showing up. So if you guys are having problems with your Spotify Wrapped 2023 not showing up on your Spotify application, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to have this. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Spotify application, and once you're already here, I'd like you guys to proceed with scrolling through the application until you see the Spotify Wrapped section. So, as you would notice, it's not here, because if it is not here, it is always gonna be located on the top section where and you can relocate your tabs. And over here onto the Wrapped tab, I want you to just tap on that. It's gonna take you to the Spotify Wrapped. You stop on your 2023 Wrapped, and it's gonna take you right there. Now, if you cannot see that section, I want you guys to proceed with locating the Spotify location on the App Store and checking if you have the latest version of Spotify installed. Now, this is gonna basically give you the latest features and most updated version of the application on your device. So go ahead and make sure that you have the latest version of Spotify, so that you're also gonna have the Spotify Wrapped as well. So once you have made sure, go ahead and launch the application, and it should be right there. One more factor that could be contributing to this specific issue is your internet connection. So you gotta go ahead and double check your internet connection with your Wi-Fi and see if you were experiencing any problems with that. I want you to go ahead and basically launch the control centers. Go on your Wi-Fi, and if you are experiencing some issues with your Wi-Fi, you could also go ahead and try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better. Basically, that said, for this video, thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.